what they are and how we represent quadratic equation. Today I am going to start your word problems and how we represent those word problems into quadratic equations. Now exercise 4.1, first question was given as homework. I suppose everyone has done it, and if you have any problem in any question, please inform me. I will solve your doubts. Now the first question says the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So what is being given first? Always try to write what is given in the right hand side, a rough work sort of things. That helps you to solve the question. So the area is given as 528 meters square of a rectangular plot. What kind of plot it is? It is a rectangular plot. So rectangular plot will have a length and a breadth. Now the length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. So if this is the breadth, then length is equals to twice breadth and 1 more also. So the length is 2b plus 1. So we will write let the breadth of rectangular plot be meters. So length L is equals to 2b plus 1. Always read the things very carefully. Okay, this is the important one. So length is this. Now what is the area? Area is always length into breadth for a rectangular plot. So this L into B is equals to how much? 528 according to the question. Now what is L? 2b plus 1 into B is equals to 528 now. Multiplying this b to the bracket, we will get 2b square plus b. This 528, it will come to the left hand side and it will be like minus 528 equal to 0. Then we will make the factors of 528 so as to solve this quadratic equation. Okay. Now the factors of 528 are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 6, then 9, then 6, 9, 15, 16, 17, then it will go by 7, 7 3s are 21, no, not 7, 9, then it will be, it is not going with 2, it is not going with 3, it is not going with 4 because 9 is there. Now 5 will not there, then 6 it is not there because it is not going by 3 and 2 to 6 will not be a divisibility. Then 7, 7, 7, 7 is a 21 and then 5, this is not going with that also. Then 8, it will not be going by 8 because it is not divisible by 4 and 2. Then 9, 9 3 is a 27, then 9 to the 18. Then 18, if we subtract 269 by 9. So 9 to the 18, 16 minus 8 is 8 and 89. Now 9 9s is 81. Again it is not going, 8 are there. So let us try with 11 now. So 269 by 11, 11 to the 22, 49 it is not going, 13, 269. We should be keep on trying with the divisibility so that it is just a matter of practice. Now 13 is also not going, 17, 269, 17 2s are 34, 17 1s are 16 minus 7 is 9, then 99, 17 is also not there. Let us go by 21, then 261 by 21, 1 to 21, then 51 no. So it is not going by that. So this is the way which is quite lengthy to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, so I'll tell you the latest, the easiest way to solve any quadratic equation. Okay, so we'll not be doing the question by this way. So the easiest way, instead of finding these factors, follow the quadratic formula. Which says the roots of the quadratic equation. Here the values of b we have to find. So we'll write b is equals to plus minus, let us represent this breadth with br. Okay, so plus minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Okay, so the values of breadth will be minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Now you will surprise what is minus b, d and 2a. So this is the quadratic equation that you have got. Now compare this equation with the standard equation. This is the standard quadratic equation. Comparing this equation with this equation, we get a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to minus 528. Is it clear? Now putting these values into this formula, the d is b square minus 4ac. So what is b square? B square is 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 528. So it will be how much? 1 minus, then minus and minus will become plus. So 4 2s are 8 into 528. Okay, so 1 plus 8 8s are 64, 6 carry 8 to the 16 and 6 22, then 2 8 5s are 40 and 2 is 42. Okay, so it will be 1 4 2 2 5. Okay, now because your d is positive, therefore we will move to this thing. Okay, so the value of breadth is minus b. Minus b means minus 1 plus minus. Plus minus means two operations are there. First there will be addition and then there will be subtraction. Under root of d 4 2 2 5 upon 2a, that is 2. Okay, now the under root of 42 to 5, what is this? The under root of this is simple formula, simple way to find the square root. Just do the pairs. Now we have to find a square number which is just less than 42. So you have 36, 6 6 are 36, because if you choose 7 it will be more than this. So 6 6 are 36. We'll write 36 over here. So we'll get 6. Now we'll do the twice of this 6 here. So we'll have 12 and we will drop down this 25 into this. Now 125 5s is 625. We all know. So we have got the under root of 4 2 to 5 is 65. So it is minus 1 plus minus 65 upon 4. Now the values of br will be, first value will be br is equal to minus 1 plus 65 upon 4 and the other value of br will be minus 1 minus 65 upon 4. Okay, so this will be 64 by 4, that is 16, and here you will get minus 66 upon 4, which will be negative value. So this value will be ignored because breadth can never be negative. So the value of breadth is 16 meters. So you can find the length now, which will be 2b plus 1, 2br. So this is 2 into 16 plus 1, 32, 33 meters. So the length of the plot is 16 meters. So this is how we need to attempt any word problem. Okay. So this is the first question. Let us move to the second question of the exercise. Now the answer to this question. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Two things are there. The numbers are consecutive means one after the other. Positive, they have the positive value. So let the first number is x. So consecutive value will be another number will be what? It will be x plus 1. Okay. Now their product is there. So x into x plus 1 is equals to 306. So therefore it will be x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So again this is the quadratic equation which can be factorized to find the value of x. Is it okay? Then now the third question is, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So whatever be the age of Rohan, his mother is 26 years more than him. Okay. So we will, and one thing more to be taken in mind, always in terms whether there are age questions, age related any question, you need to let the present ages of anyone. Okay. So we let present age of Rohan be x years. So the present age of Rohan's mother will be how much? X plus 26 years. And always don't forget to write the units with the numeric values. Okay. And I am writing like this inverted commas, don't copy me. You have to write full present age of Rohan's mother. Okay. Now the product of their ages. So in years, 3 years from now, this means 3 years later will be 360. So what will be the, if I say my age is 30 right now, so what will be my age after 3 years? It will be 33. So similarly we need to add 3 years to the age of Rohan and his mother. So 3 years later, age of Rohan will be x plus 3 years and age of Rohan's mother will be x plus 26 was earlier age and 3 years are added, so it will be x plus 29 years. Okay. Then the product, so x plus 3 into x plus 29 is given as how much? 360. Okay. Now you will open the brackets. The multiplication of two brackets are there. X into x is x square. Then x into 29 is plus 29x. Plus 3 into x is 3x. Plus 29 into 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 to the 6 and 8. And this 360 will come to the left hand side. Okay. Now solving this, we will get x square plus 32x minus, now plus minus is minus 360 minus 87, 3, 7, 273. So 273 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which can be solved to find the age of Rohan. Okay. Now after the age of Rohan, his mother's age can be calculated. Is it okay? Done. Okay, stop. Now, this 3 questions, please practice these 3 questions and do the examples of the book. And then in the next class, we will be continuing with the last question of the exercise and the other topics too. Thank you very much.